Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel. Today I am going to demonstrate an invoice template with number spell. If we see here, we have a number spell. So total amount will be spelled in numbers. So you can configure it to 2 decimals or 3 decimals, because this is the normal challenge of 3 decimals. Few countries like Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, they have 3 decimals. So for this we have a configuration sheet. If we see here, you can put it currency name here, then single unit of decimals, plural. If there's multiple decimal points, you can put it if you have 2, then you have to put 2 or else 3. And this one is for decimal spell format. So few people they want like 1000 divided by Besa, so I just put it there, optional, right? So let's say for example, if you can see here, this is how it will spell, right? So if I will change it to no, and I will just edit it here, F2, enter. So it will show full, right? So instead of showing full, I will make it yes, I want to show like this format with 1000, and then I will put F2 and refresh. That's it, right? So same way it will be here. Okay, F2, enter, right? Done. Okay, for this invoice template I have these 2 sheets where I have items and customers. So you can add your own customers, items, whatever you want, and then on invoice you will come here and you will select here the customer code. So it will automatically change here, right? To whom you are sending the invoice. And then below, these are the normal fields, right? And here you have the item, you have this LOV, you can copy this LOV below, validations, and this description will be automatically picked from this item sheet. And sorry, then you have this unit price, okay, discount, quantity, items, right? Then I have this try sheet where you can try, and you can remove this one. Another thing is, let's say for example, if you don't like this template, you want to create your own. In this file you can create another sheet, but the only thing you have to use the main functionality, that is the spell number. So what you can do, you will use this function equal to spell number in the cell reference, right? So cell reference is our amount, that's it. Even and you can go into the try, if you see here it is same, right? So just you need to do this one. See, now it is getting updated. Okay, the only request, please don't change that this table will get affected. So if cell reference will change here, it will not work, because it is picking values from these cells, right? You can hide this sheet if you don't want to see it, and then you will have this invoice where you can have your invoice. You can change the logo, you can update any information the way you want, whatever you want, right? Thank you very much. And yes, sorry, I am going to upload the file, this Excel file in my portal, which will be here. I will share the link below my video, so you can download from here, right? And then you can use it. If any confusion, assistance or any issue, you can post under this post, or you can write under video the comments. We'll get back to you. And that's it. I think you can enjoy, because this 3 decimals is real the issue. You can get maybe up to 2 decimals, but 3 decimals spell number is not available for Excel. If it is available, I haven't seen. So you can try this one and share your feedback. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.